Hello everybody and welcome to the Homeownership Journey. This is a series that's designed to guide you all through the exciting process of owning your own home. So let me say hello again. I am Daryl and I will be your guide in this incredible adventure, this series that we're creating towards home ownership. And again, in this series, we're going to cover everything from building and finding the perfect property that's going to meet your needs. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me introduce myself again. And I plan to be instrumental in your journey to home ownership. I'm Daryl Taylor, the Virginia Realtor. I'm also back with a team with over 20 years experience that can help people like you in finding your dream home. One more time, I'm Daryl Taylor, the Virginia Realtor, and welcome to the series where I'm going to be sharing my knowledge and expertise with you all as we embark on this home ownership journey together. So throughout this series, I will be providing invaluable insights and tips to help you navigate the real estate market with confidence. Now, let's talk about why home ownership is such an important milestone and why it's essential that we set realistic expectations from the very start. Owning a home isn't just about having a place to live. It's about creating stability, building equity, and fulfilling a sense of pride and accomplishment. But it's also essential to understand that the journey to home ownership can have its ups and downs. And that's why setting realistic expectations is crucial. From budgeting for unexpected expenses to understanding the complexities of the market, being prepared is going to make your journey to home ownership much smoother. So get ready to embark on this exciting journey with us together. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned investor, there's something for everyone in this series. I can't wait to unveil this series just so we can see where this journey takes us together. I want you guys to stay tuned for the next episode where we're going to dive into the first steps of the home buying process. Okay guys, I want you to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way we're going to be discussing the next part of home ownership on this channel. Hope to see you on the next video.